Hello everyone, we will start off by tying a low ponytail to the hair, twist it and lift it upwards as such. Through the side, use a multiple pronged decorative pin in order to fasten it in place. Make sure that the design falls on the side. Taking the top portion of the hair, add a rubber band to it, bend it downwards and then use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Add a rubber band at the base and make a ponytail. Add another rubber band in the middle section of the ponytail you've created at the bottom. Make a small hole in the middle, insert the rest of the hair into it, wrap it up into a bun and then use a decorative multiple prong pin in order to fasten this bun in place. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Use a bun stick and wrap the ponytail hair within this stick. Afterwards, wrap it up into the shape of a bun and adjust the hair around it accordingly. You may use a decorative pin in order to fasten it in the side. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair. Lift this ponytail upwards, then use a decorative multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Add a rubber band to the tip of it at the top and then roll it downwards. Fasten it downwards as such, using a bobby pin in order to make a bun at the top as well. Next, take a multi-level clip, take a section from the right side and then clip it up using the pin. Take three sections from the left side of the hair, twist all of these sections and then insert it into each of the levels of the clip as such. Now once you're done with the last level of the clip, you may comb the bottom of the hair to make it look neat. Start off by tying a ponytail to the hair that is rather high, twist this ponytail and then wrap it up into a bun. Do this until the end of the hair as such. Now once you're done with this, you may take a decorative clip and then fasten it around your bun. This will be the final look of your hairdo. Gather the hair together, tie a rubber band at the base of it. Now, after this, add another rubber band at the bottom as such. Now roll it up in the middle, roll it in on itself, and afterwards roll it upwards. Divide the hair into two parts, tie a knot around it, and then add your decorative clip on top of this. You may do this in either beige or black as such. Next, we will take this type of decorative clip. To start off with, gather the hair together into a low ponytail and then tie a rubber band on the base. Loosen it slightly, make a gap in the middle, roll the hair in on itself into a bun as such, and then add your decorative clip around it. Thank you for watching.